The next practice piece will teach how to change a pattern by enlarging. Bring the computer along as done before. Cast on 3. For stitch pattern A, use number 1149 on page 58 of the stitch pattern book and knitting technique number 180. Stitch pattern A will not be enlarged or positioned for comparison. When the display asks for the information on stitch pattern B, return to the video. Press 1149. Press Enter. Press No. Press 180. Press Enter. Press Enter. Are the measurements to be given in centimeters? Press No. The original pattern will have a height of 88 rows. The computer is asking if this is the desired height. Press No. The height of the pattern is to be multiplied or enlarged how many times? The pattern can be multiplied up to 99 times. Press 2. Enter. The computer is confirming that the desired height is 176. That is 2 times 88. Press Enter. The width of this pattern is 20 stitches. Is this what is wanted? Press No. The width is to be multiplied or enlarged how many times? Press 2. Enter. The computer is confirming that the finished width is 40. That is 2 times 20. Press Enter. The outline of the pattern can be in block form or smooth. By enlarging the pattern, the outline will be more in block form. The computer asks if that is the way it should be. Press Enter. Is the pattern to be positioned? Press No. Press No. Use pattern number 1149. Press Enter. Press No. Press 180. Press Enter. Press Enter. Measurements in centimeters? Press No. The original pattern will have a height of 88 rows. The computer is asking if this is the correct height. Press No. Multiply the height by how many times? Press 3. Enter. The computer is confirming that the correct height is 264. Press Enter. The width of this pattern is 20 stitches. Is this what is wanted? Press No. How much is the width to be multiplied? Press 4. Enter. The computer is confirming that the desired width is 80. Press Enter. The computer asks if the original outline is wanted. Press No. Is the pattern to be positioned? Press No. Press Enter. Press No. The needles should be set up as this diagram shows, with 40 needles to the right and left of center on back and front beds. The stitch size should be set on 4. Continue working with the computer to cast on. As always, the needle rule and edge springs are important. When the computer says End Cast On, press Enter and return to the video for instructions. Press ABC. Needles and pushers should be set according to this diagram. For stitch pattern A, the stitch size remains on 4. Knit 88 rows when ready. Remember to release the yarn from the clips underneath after 10 rows. Press the ABC key when ready to go on to the next pattern. Continue on to pattern B. The needle diagram is the same. The stitch size remains on 4 and knit 176 rows when ready. Press ABC when ready to go to the next pattern. For pattern C, the needle and stitch size remain the same. Knit 264 rows when ready. At the end of pattern C, return to the video for information. Set the lock on end, both back and front. Drop the stitches off the needles or cast off as done on the scarf. This practice piece taught how to enlarge patterns. Check to see that pattern B is double the original size in block form. Pattern C is bigger and has smooth outlines.